Advocates, my name is Lojain Makahleh and I'm the current president of the International Criminal Court for KAMUN 2019. So courts in general, they're very confusing. They're not like any other forums. To begin with, we don't have any lobbying and merging, but rather the first 2 hours of the first day of the conference are mainly spent on preparations, such as but not limited to creating opening speeches, closing speeches, and preparing the cross and direct examinations. To begin with, opening speeches. They should last about 5 to 7 minutes long with the team, which are either defense or the prosecution. They should be stating why their client should either be accused or indicted. Secondly, examinations. So within the court, we have two types of examinations: cross-examinations and direct examinations. To begin with, direct examination begins with the prosecution asking questions to the prosecution witnesses, while the defense question their own witnesses, and by their own I mean the defense's witnesses. The questions in direct examinations can have no leading questions, which basically means that questions that can have yes or no answers. Next up, we have cross-examinations. Cross-examinations is very similar to direct examinations, except it is when the prosecution asks the defense's witnesses and the defense asks the prosecution's witnesses. In this case, the leading questions are allowed. Closing speeches should also be roughly about 7 to 10 minutes long, with the defense and or the prosecution stating why the client should be acquitted or indicted once again, with presenting new ideas, new thoughts, and just try to be persuasive as much as possible. So there are 2 tips that I've come up with in order to be able for you to enjoy your experience within the ICC. First of which, the court can sometimes get so intense and so chaotic, but always try your best to remain calm and respectful at all times, no matter what the situation is at hand. Second, always be attentive and make sure to not let anything slip out of your mouth or the other advocate's mouth, because sometimes that tends to happen. And lastly, don't forget to have fun. I mean, MUN is all about fun.